Hi, it's Krista with Flourish Yoga, and I want to share a breath tool with you today that has amazing power for both your brain clarity and focus and your sleep. So we can use this breath both in the morning to kind of focus our thoughts and have that nice, brain that's going to work. Imagine your brain with one computer screen and not a bunch of tabs open. It's just focused and it gets something done, right? And in the evening, you just have this nice calm rhythm to your breath so that it helps to ease you into a nice sleep. And of course, you can use this throughout the day to get back to either one of these states, to that calm center place, or to this focus. It's this calm focus. Just kind of think of it like that. So it's called Nadi Shodha, or we call it switch breath, sometimes the English kind of translation, because we're switching from breathing on one nostril to the other. So in the breath technique, we're going to be breathing in on the right, out on the left, and then in on the left, out on the right. So we're just kind of going back and forth between these. And what this does is it links the two hemispheres of the brain. So I don't want to talk too much on this because I want this to be a nice short and quick video that you can kind of go back to throughout the day, but look at the blog post for more information on all of this. But for now, take your one finger, just place it underneath your nose. Just do an experiment and blow out. Just have that awareness. Not an intense blow out, but just gently breathing, just normal breathing. Can you sense if you're breathing more on one side than the other? Just a little tool to know which side of the brain that you're stimulating and activating. Okay? So, and if you're breathing more on the left, that's going to connect with the right side of the brain. The right is going to connect with the left side of the brain. Okay, read more about that in the blog. For now, place your thumb just below the kind of bone part, like where you have that bone ends on your nose, and then the ring finger on the other side. These other two fingers are going to be placed on your third eye point. More about that in the blog. Okay, so get up nice and tall. As always, you'll be balanced on your sit bone, spine nice and long. Just to begin with, don't put any pressure on your nose. Just take a couple of breaths in and out, just kind of getting that awareness, getting present for this. Then I want you to block the left nostril off and breathe out through the right. Breathe in right, switch, and breathe out left. Breathe in left, switch your fingers, breathe out right. Breathe in right, breathe out left. Breathe in left, and breathe out right. Breathe in right, breathe out left. Breathe in left, breathe out right. Breathe in right, breathe out left. Breathe in left, breathe out right. Breathe in right, breathe out left. Breathe in left, breathe out right. Breathe in right, breathe out left. Breathe in left, breathe out right. Breathe in both, and breathe out both. And just notice how that feels in your body. Do you feel this kind of calm, centered focus? You can even hear it in my voice right now, right? I can feel that within my body. So try that. So I like to start off with, and I count with my other finger. You might have noticed me doing this. So I count the rounds of my other hand and start off with 5. That's a good kind of number in there. Increase that to 7. And then eventually you might, do a round of 7, pause for a few normal breaths, and then do another round of 7 and see how that feels. But even just the 5 or 7, the one round of that, you'll notice a huge change and shift in your energy, your focus, your clarity, all of those things that we're after in our day. All right, check out more about this on the blog, but enjoy this, practice this, use this in your day. Namaste.